Hello, I am Buitrago, a urologist and sexologist. Did you know that you can prolong your ejaculation time completely naturally and without any weird tricks? Stay with me, and I will reveal how to do it. You won't want to miss this advice. Your sex life can improve tremendously. Let's start by talking about the pelvic floor, that area located right at the bottom of the abdomen. Did you know that by exercising those muscles, you can better control the moment of ejaculation? How do you identify those muscles? Very easy. The next time you are urinating, try to stop the flow and then resume it. These muscles that you contract are the ones you need to work on. But be careful. Don't do this every time you go to the bathroom. What I want you to do is a simple exercise in the morning and at night. Contract those muscles that you use to stop urination for 10 seconds, then relax for another 10 seconds and repeat. And now comes the most important part. Make sure not to tighten your glutes, legs, or abdomen, just the internal muscles. Think about this. You are in a meeting and suddenly you feel the urge to pass gas, but obviously you don't want to feel embarrassed, right? That same muscle you tighten in that moment is the one we are training. Contract. Count to 10 seconds while taking a breath and relax by exhaling. Practice this. And over time, you will notice how your control improves. How do we apply this in bed? During sexual intercourse, there are several phases that you need to know. Excitement, plateau, pre-ejaculatory phase, orgasm, and then comes the resolution phase. This pre-ejaculatory phase before orgasm is the key. You should not reach this last point. Just before you feel that you are about to ejaculate, contract the pelvic floor muscles, stop the movements, and if necessary, withdraw the penis. In the meantime, you can continue to stimulate your partner in other ways. Caresses, oral sex, toys, whatever keeps your body in contact with theirs. Maintain the moment without reaching climax. Wait about 3 to 4 minutes until the excitement decreases a bit, and when you are ready, you can start again. You will still be in the plateau phase. If you do this correctly, you will prolong your ejaculation and enhance the experience for both. Like everything, practice makes perfect. If you are interested in being a better lover, don't miss my Perfect Lover course. There, I teach advanced techniques to improve your performance in bed. You have the link below in the description. In addition, the first 1,000 subscribers of this new channel will participate in the draw for 2 free accesses to my course. So give the video a like, subscribe, and share it with your friends so they can also benefit from these tips and you will be registered. If you have ejaculated your whole life, before or during the first minute, and the exercises only improve you a little, you will need formal treatment with an expert. I will leave a link in the description that will connect you to my office. I have helped hundreds of men around the world improve their intimate lives through my online consultation. Don't forget to follow me on my social media as well. I've left the links in the description below. And turn on notifications so you don't miss the upcoming content. Bye.